can I can cope. I want to leave you today. I'm gonna go, go away. Nobody will care about me so why don't I just go away? I'm gonna go away. Maybe for a week. But yeah, I'm gonna go away now. You don't think that I will be able to please sustain why I suffer. I'm gonna go away. Today is tough, I can cope. Nobody is helping me, so why don't I just go away now?